me, my channel. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to get a lot of dog outfits. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, we're going to place this blue arrow right here. Press on it. Now we're gonna go to avatar. So now take off all the accessories you have. Easy no face. Okay. Now you're going to go to body. Go to this purple shirt right here. Now you're going to turn your skin white. Okay. Now go to this yellow shirt. Now you're going to spell. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, we are going to be doing this first one, so let's get right into it. Don't mind, but my skin color is off, but by the way, it's still gonna be white. Go to the yellow shirt, and you need to search dog. Okay, now we're going right here. We're going to be taking the second one. You need all of it. So it clear all of it. I don't know what you guys want to be. You could be adult, teen, child, toddler, or baby. But for me, I think you guys should pick toddler. Now, this is our body. Now we are going to do accessories. So let's go in. Okay, so go to all and now spell bow. You guys have to pick the first one, but you could get whatever one you want. So yeah. Okay, first avatar finished. Now we are going to go in the second avatar insert here. This is the second dog avatar. So let's get it. Okay guys, you go to menu and go to body and press this yellow shirt. Now we are going to switch off mini bear. You guys are going to pick the first one. It kill all of them, but not the face. Now, for the face, we are going to spell teddy bear. Now switch it up. We are going to be picking the ninth one. But just clear the head. Now we finished with the body. Now it's time to do the accessories. So we are going to go to all. We are going to search bear. I think, I'm not sure. Oh guys, give me a sec, let me look at it real quick. Okay, now I know what to search. Bear, dog, wait, don't like that. Dog ears. We are going to equip the first one. Now, I'm going to show you how to get the bow. Go to all and spell bow. Oh no, pink bow. Now search, and then flower. Sorry guys, it's gonna be flower. Me, I'm gonna pick the first one, but you guys could pick whatever one you want. There's a lot of options. Second avatar finished. Now let's go on to the third one. We are going to keep on the same body and everything, but there's gonna be fur and other stuff. So yeah, let's get in. So first, we are going to go on and spell pink bow. You guys could pick whatever one you want. But I'm gonna get that one, don't worry. Give me a sec. That one. Now go to all and search up neck fluff. Pick whatever you want, and then white polo ears. Pick whatever, and white polo tail. And that is the third one is finished. This one is my favorite probably. It's gonna be the same body again, but just change the body, change the color like brown. So now we are going to go spell fluffy pink collar. For the ears is brown polo ears. Get the brown one. White preppy head bone. Down full Cochlear airflow claw lick. So this is it. The fourth one. I have a fifth one. It's going to be a boy. Okay, so yeah, you could also get it. So let's get it. This is gonna be the boy avatar. You could keep everything that you quit for the Y or whatever, but you just need to go to avatar all and spell bow. Sorry. And then pick whatever color. And yeah, don't mind, but I changed my avatar. Anyways, bye y'all. Enjoy and please like and subscribe. Bye.